Today we are going to learn how to make tomato rice from the Pugliari's kitchen. We have so many varieties of rice in our South Indian cooking. Let's learn how to make these varieties of rice, and I am sure you're going to love my recipes which I am posting in my videos. Thank you. Tomato rice is simply rice cooked with tomatoes and with some spices. Rice is an integral part of Indian cuisine, as we all know. This is one of my favorite recipes, and let's learn how to make this tomato rice now. To make tomato rice, we need 2 cups of rice. I'm going to take 3 tomatoes. We need 1 onion for this recipe. I'm going to use red onion today. We need garlic, ginger, and I'm going to use 2 green chilies. We need mint leaves, cilantro and curry leaves. We need salt and oil. I'm going to use some spices. I'm going to use 1 cinnamon stick, bay leaves, cardamom, cloves and stone flower and some other spices. And I'm going to add some ghee at the end. Wash 2 cups of basmati rice until the water is clear and soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to chop the onions and tomatoes, garlic, ginger and green chilies in the chopper. Switch on the stove and use a thick bottom pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to cook tomato rice in this pan itself. You can use pressure cooker or instant pot. Add half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of urad dal, add half teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of fennel seeds and a little bit of hing. Now add 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, a small piece of stone flower, and then cloves, and then add cardamoms. Stone flower gives a wonderful flavor to this recipe. Stir it well, and we are going to add chopped onions to this. On medium flame, cook the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add some curry leaves now. I'm adding the chopped garlic, ginger and green chili paste now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add salt to taste. I'm adding 3 chopped tomatoes now. After adding tomatoes, cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the raw smell of the tomatoes go away. It should look like this when it's cooked. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. It's optional. If you have it, you can use it. It gives a good color to the tomato rice. Add some mint leaves now. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Add 4 cups of water to this now. Since we are using 2 cups of rice, we are adding 4 cups of water to this. You can taste it and see, and if you need more salt, you can add salt now. Let the water start boiling. You can add the soaked basmati rice now. Please make sure the rice is soaked, otherwise it won't cook properly. Mix it well and let it come to a boil. At this time, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and add some cilantro. When it comes to a boil, you can reduce the stove to low flame and close it and cook it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can open the lid and see how nicely the tomato rice is cooked. Remove it from the side of the dish and see how nicely it's cooked. It's just perfect. If you are going to cook in a pressure cooker, cook for 2 whistles and keep the cooker on low flame for 10 minutes and then your rice will be done. Your world famous tomato rice is ready to enjoy. I really love this tomato rice. And this tomato rice is very famous in South India. And it can be eaten with raita or some chips or just by itself also.